Let us discuss the pH of weak acid. Weak acid is a substance which is always partially ionized. Due to that, which is always maintains an equilibrium state with its ions. Like HA is an hypothetical weak acid that is having an equilibrium with its ions. Those are H plus and A minus. Now let us consider the concentration of this acid is C molar, that is the initial concentration after attaining the equilibrium state. The concentration of the acid would be decreased to C minus X. This X is the portion of acid that is what's ionized out of total concentration, that is C. So initially there is no traces of ions, but at equilibrium state these X moles of ions which are dissociated will form X moles of H plus ions and X moles of what? A minus ions. Now there is a term that is degree of ionization, which is represented by alpha, and alpha is the fraction of the particles which are ionized. That means the number of moles of particles ionized by total number of particles. So in this weak acid, the portion of acid that is ionized is X and initial concentration is C. From that you can extract the value of X, that would be equal to C into alpha. Now substitute those values over here, then C minus C alpha and here C alpha. So from this the H plus ion concentration is what? At equilibrium is C alpha. Now let us apply the equilibrium constant Ka is equal to the product of concentrations of products, those are ions, and the concentration of acid, that means reactant, at equilibrium. Now substitute the respective values. H plus concentration and A minus concentrations are C alpha, and acid concentration is C into 1 minus alpha. Here we are taking out the common term, that is C. Now we know alpha, that is degree of dissociation or ionization for the weak acid, is much less than 1. That means few particles out of this total is going to be dissociated by that the fraction is much less than 1. So in that case we can neglect the term that is 1 minus alpha, or we can consider the 1 minus alpha value as 1. Now cancel the common terms in this ratio, the concentration, and we assume that 1 minus alpha would be equal to 1. Now the rest of the parts, that Ka is equal to C alpha square. That is another expression. Now from this relation we can get the expression for alpha, that is under root of Ka by C. Now substitute this alpha value in H plus equation. We know H plus is equal to C alpha, and instead of alpha substitute the value that is under root of Ka over C. If you simplify this, that would be under root of Ka into C, and that is the another expression for H plus. Now let us apply the negative logarithm for this equation on both sides. So negative log of h plus is equal to negative log of under root of Ka into C. If you simplify this, then that would be negative log of h plus is equal to 1 by 2 negative log of Ka negative log of C. So negative log of h plus is what? pH, and that is equal to half of negative log of Ka is pKa minus log C. This is the pH equation. For weak acids. Along with this, we have some other useful relations, such like the H plus is equal to C alpha, that is one thing. Another one, Ka is equal to C alpha square, that is another one. And finally, H plus is equal to under root of Ka into C. So now let us do a problem with this equation. Now 0.1 molar of HCN acids ionization constant is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Then calculate its pH. Now let us understand the given values first. The 0.1 molar is the concentration of acid, that means C in the pH equation. Now we also required pKa value. From this equation you can get the value of pKa, that is minus log Ka, that's value 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Now pKa is equal to 4 minus log 2, that is 3.699. Now substitute this value in pH equation. pH is equal to half of pKa is 3.699 minus log of its concentration is 0.1. If you simplify this, pH is equal to half of 3.699 minus, it would be plus 1, and that is 4.7 by 2. It is approximately 2.3.